Now there you go, that's our black pudding stuffed rashers with a mustard cream sauce, and that would be on my menu if I run an Irish pub or bar. Look at that thing. That is absolutely beautiful. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing an Irish, a full Irish. If I ran an Irish bar or pub, this would be on the menu. We are doing a black pudding, stuffed rashers and a creamy mustard sauce. Well, I've got some champ, okay, and we'll make champ waffles. This is going to be a little bit different. It's a fantastic recipe. It tastes absolutely superb. It's full Irish. You know, going back in the day, a long time ago, Dunmanway, Union Hall, all the way down there, Connakilty. I had something down there, was chicken stuffed with, or black pudding in chicken, wrapped, and it had diced apple in and everything. I don't know if they still do it because we're going back 25 years, but there you go. Come on, let's get on and do it. This would be on my Irish pub menu. Now, rashers. Rashers, you would normally use thick cut. We're going to use this. We're going to have a quick oven bake. Our black pudding, we want to bring in a pan and we're going to fry it off with some onions. So grab any pan of choice, whatever you want to use. This one will do for this. So we got some crumbled black pudding. I've got some onions. I've chopped up some parsley. What we need to be doing is either chopping up apple or grating it. I'm opting for the grate today. All it is that. Come on. Grate up your apple. Now I'm using these Granny Smiths. They will do. We don't want too much, to be fair, you know. So we'll just give this a quick grating through. Now obviously if you use diced apple you would have little chunks of apple in, but if we grate this on a big grater, we're still going to have bits of apple in. Now take the skin off, leave the skin on, entirely up to you. Have another apple. If I want to dice some up, I will. Okay, we're going Irish. You're going to chuck some butter in your pan. Boom. You're going in there with those onions and we're going to give them a little bit of a fry. You just want a couple of minutes on these onions, cook out that rawness. This is going inside our rashers. This is going to be part of the stuffing, if you like, with a black pudding. Bit of a quick fry on this one, in there with those apple. Just a couple of minutes with the apple in there. Now, like I say, most people probably go for cubed apple, but you know, a little bit of grated like that. It's going to sit very nice inside our stuffing. A little bit of seasoning, that's black pepper. Chuck in a little bit of salt if you want it. In there, crumbled black pudding. And we're going to give that 2 or 3 minutes in there. Bring it all in. Oh, what a fabulous smell. You know what? We're going in there with some diced apple. Give it a stir in. That looks a bit better. Okay, forget the grated unless you want to do what I've done. Grate one and go in with some diced. We're going to have bits of apple in there. Put that to one side. We'll be making a creamy mustard sauce. In there with your parsley. Stir it all through. Looking fabulous. Cool it down. Okay, I've got some rashers here, look. Okay, now what I'm going to do, which is probably stupid, but you know me, we're going to put all that on there, but I've got 3 little rashers here, and we're going to put some on there. Now what you would do is probably take a couple of rashers, put it on a couple of rashers, roll it up so you've got little ones. We're going to put it all on, roll it all up, and then we're going to cut it after it bakes in the oven at 200 degrees. Hopefully it should cut. It's only bacon wrapped. If it spills out the sides, it doesn't matter, does it? Come on. Right, so we want that stuffing in there and on there. Oh, this is still red hot. Okay, we're going to take that. Looking pretty cool. Just give it a squidge up. Now I've got this bacon rashers and you can see I've overlapped them because hopefully they're going to stay together. He says, okay. Now I have got it on parchment paper. Now hopefully this is going to help us do this. So bring it over, we're wrapping. Okay, peel back that parchment and keep going. Now we want to keep that seam side down. We'll whip that out of there. If it sticks to it, it doesn't matter. We're going to take that little bit we got left there and stuff that in there. I'll put that on there. There you go. Okay, there's our tremendous looking stuffed rashers. I'm going to stick that in the oven. I'm going to bake it in the oven. Now we're going to bake it for about 25 minutes, I think. Come on. While that's cooking away in there, we'll just knock up a quick mustard cream sauce. Okay, want some butter in a pan. And there with your onion. Now you don't have to wait. Little stir on there. So we want about 3 minutes on this. Nice and steady, look. In there, garlic. We'll stir around. In there, some flour. Little cook on that flour. Cook off the rawness. Okay, in with your stock. Now you could whisk this in if you wanted, but it will go in there. In there with your cream. Swap out for a whisk. Just give it a little one of those. All those lumps in there are onion, obviously. There's not flour. What a nice smooth sauce. In there, a tablespoon whole grain mustard, teaspoon Dijon, whisk in. There's our creamy mustard sauce. I want a little bit of black pepper in here. In there, a little bit of black pepper. There you go, creamy mustard sauce made. I'm going to stick it on behind me. Stick your waffle maker on, heat it up, get your champ. So that's all it is our mashed potato champ. Mashed potatoes, spring onions, a little bit of butter, a little bit of flour, a little bit of sour cream, and a little bit of cheddar. Seasoning, salt and pepper, done. Okay, that looks hot enough. What we're going to do is take our champ on there. How interesting is this? I'm going to drop that down. That's it. Let's have a quick look then. Oh yeah, there you go. That's our champ waffles. I think we're going to go a bit longer. Just bring that in there from the sides. And it might stop it from sticking when we try to get it out. Okay, let's drop the lid and let's finish them off. I think that's about got it. We'll add those out of there. They're going to be cooked on the other side. There you go. That comes out of there. If we flip it over, look at that. Oof, that's a bit hot. Come on a plate. Okay, when you've got a bit of colour on your rashers. Oh, there we have it. Look at that. Oh man, that's looking a bit special. Oh yeah. We got the little single there, look. And we got these things here. Let it settle up a little minute and then we're going to cut through there. Come on, that comes out of there. Now, can you see where I was coming from with the individual? You've got an individual there, look, that's already stuffed, ready to go straight on the plate. Now, that was just 3 rashers of bacon. So our rashers we've used here, we're going to have to come through. So there you go. Like I did say, it could be a mistake to roll it all together and not make them individually. There's your choice. It's easy to do. We're going to take a pair of scissors like this and we're going to do that. So it's not hard, you know. Need to be having a look in there, look. Oh, come on, look at that stuffing in there. That is absolutely sensational. It's boiling up, but it's sensational. Come on, let's get it together. On there, a daubing of our mustard cream sauce. I'm going to take one of those champ waffles. Now, you probably only serve one of these, actually. But we're going to do that. And you got our beautiful, beautiful waffles. Look at that. Take a little splurge of that sauce on there. Oh, look at that. We're coming in there. We want another, don't we? Of course we do. We want a full Monty. Wow, that's hot. What a little splurge of that in there. A little bit of whole grain. Now there you go, that's our black pudding stuffed rashers with a mustard cream sauce, and that would be on my menu if I run an Irish pub or bar. Look at that thing. That is absolutely beautiful. Look. Oh, come on, look at this thing. Oh, it's sensational in there. Oh, a bit of waffle, a bit of mustard cream sauce. Oh yeah. That is absolutely fabulous sauce. Okay, come on. We need to be getting in here. Let's destroy it. Take that off there. Come on. Oh man. Look at this thing. You know what's in it? We got the black pudding, the apple. Oh, come on. Oh, that is absolutely first class. Oh, man. Oh, that apple comes through there with that onion in there. With that black pudding. On top of that waffle with that creamy sauce. That is exceptional. There you go, that's world class. That champ waffle is absolutely sensational. It's beautiful. there you go. If you've never seen a full Irish like this before, it's sensational. This is a fantastic pub type restaurant meal. High class, all the flavours there of Ireland. Oh, delicious. Absolutely world class. If you like what we're doing, share it in your bar. Put it in your bar, on your menu, there you go. If you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Oh, and we'll catch you in the next video. That is just off the charts.